Awava Fongdokjaba Ske Broadband Service ki IT section da engineer oina leiramba Silambau Panmai Tingkumna Laibak Thiba Thodok amada leikidabada Ske ge management amadi staff singna thamoi sokna awava fongdurakli Masagi chahi kuntarit khaktamak ngaikiba Silambau Panmai Tamenglong district ki Luangdi Pabramdagi Hauzikna Kaisampate leiduna Ske Broadband gi IT section da Thabak Taurakibani Silambau Mathauda Pukning Changba Madi Honaba Kanba Engineer Moiramki Mahakna Lekidabada Ske gi management amadi staff singna Silambau gi Thawaina Mapugi Lekolda Ingna Chikna Leirunaba Thauni Jabaga Loinana Lekidrabagi Imung Manungi Awabadasu Seru Yajari Awaba Fongdok Jariba Ske Broadband Management amadi staff sing
Kurumjari, a very good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines first. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur President Assam Rifles asserts no disturbances or obstruction should be allowed in any welfare activities of indigenous people in the state. Assam Rifles neutralizes 10 suspected militants of Myanmar-based KNAB in gunfight that erupted along Indo-Myanmar border in Chandel district. Manipur police dismiss existence of cookie groups that threaten the Meitei community against attending Shiroi Lily festival, assure adequate security for visitors. And the personnel of Village Defence Force VDF posted at various police stations joined ongoing indefinite pen down and gun down protests. And now the top stories. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur ensured IPFM President Assam Rifles has come out strongly against giving obstructions to initiatives taken up for the welfare of indigenous people in the state. Speaking at the news bulletin releasing a function held today at Sangai Hall located at North AOC, the IPFM President categorically stated that no outsiders can interrupt into the works taken up for the welfare of indigenous people, adding that the ongoing crisis is a well-designed policy carried out by illegal immigrants. Continuing that, the prohibition imposed against the indigenous people in connection with the travelling for Shiroi Lily festival by some outsiders is an attempt to disrupt the festival. Assam Rifles warned that indigenous people will give befitting reply if the outsiders disrupt in this regard.
Akoi indigenous people yelhomi maseng sibo atopo tonga na changlakpa pona lakpa singna mapu oiba saraga akoi indigenous ki people yelhomi singda lantan narakpa kumba karem narakpa kumba natraga power boil overtake torakpa mongda torakpa siliba punamakse hadak social media da amada mayam taba akoi na crowd ure masi akoi yamna sengna haibada aibak thibani unfortunate akoi nuaite akoi na haijaning bedi yelhomi akoi na sinba aduga ukhul ki district yelhomi gi mafam amada sigumba panthokpa ganda topa mi top singna natraga ku tawan tawan bana chei tawraga tawbasida masi achumbane awoibane haina akoi lawru kumse masi karisu tawbung amoi sum psychology ki war threat tawani haina lawse lawpiu masigi tanja sida akoi Manipur leriba yelhomi punamak ngasidi mikap thole haraga akoi yelhomi se karmaina kangani yelhomi se karmaina social economic development da chokakani yelhomi singi akoi tung koina karmaina ingna chingna panba leiba yaba atopa changlapa mi top sing toan toan ba singna matungna nauda disturb tawba yada ningagi lambi pambe ama akoi hoji sembase mathau tare hoji se right time ne haina ai thamjaninge.
We the indigenous people of Northeast, the seven sister states, we must stand together. We must unite together. We must preserve our identity. We must help each other. We must encourage each other for our survival. We need to survive for the sake of our children. But today we are facing a crisis in our society by this cancerous menace. So I urge upon all indigenous people, especially from the state of Manipur. We have more than 27, 28 indigenous people residing in this state. Don't let this cancerous element take over you. If we stand united, nobody can touch, nobody can break.
Assam Rifles has killed 10 cadres of suspected KNAB in a gun battle that erupted near New Samtal village in Chandal district's Khenjoi subdivision yesterday. According to Indian Army Eastern Command, upon receiving specific intelligence on the movement of armed cadres along Indo-Myanmar border, a unit of Assam Rifles under Spear Corps launched an operation on May 14. During the operation, the troops were fired upon by suspected cadres, to which the Assam Rifles team retaliated in a calibrated and measured manner. In the ensuing gunfight, 10 cadres believed to be that of Myanmar-based KNAB were neutralized and a sizable quantity of arms and ammunition have been recovered. The post on X by Eastern Command of Indian Army also informed that the operation is still in progress. Ukhrul District Police has assured to make adequate security arrangement to ensure and facilitate free movement of public during Shiroi Lili Festival, which begins on May 20. Dismissing the existence of an organization called Kukizo Village Volunteer Eastern Zone, in short KZVVEZ, which has threatened the Meitei community against entering or crossing Kuki inhabited areas during Shiroi Lili Festival, Manipur Police informed that Ukhrul District Police has inquired into the organization called KZVVEZ, and it was found that no such organization exists. It also urged general public not to believe such unfounded and baseless press note issued by unknown organizations. Meanwhile, Kukizo Council has also clarified that it does not engage in or endorse the threat issued by Kukizo Village Volunteers Eastern Zone concerning the Shiroi Lili Festival. In the press statement, Kukizo Council further maintained that as a political platform committed to representing democratic and collective interests of Kukizo people, the council does not endorse unsolicited communications issued by individuals or organizations acting independently. Director of Tourism Department Pujai Langbam has asserted that the 5th Shiroi Lili Festival will be harbinger of peace and prosperity and called for full public participation in making the festival successful. Explaining the relevance and importance of Shiroi Festival, Director Pujai Langbam said the festival is coming after a gap of 2 years and it celebrates the famous and endangered Shiroi Lili and its habitat in Shiroi Hill. While expressing hope that people of Ukhrul will warmly welcome visitors and tourists during the festival, Pujai Langbam said the festival will help in raising awareness about tourism potential of Manipur, apart from providing a big platform for Ukhrul to showcase its rich culture and traditions, along with unique cuisines and hospitality. The Shiroi Lili Festival starts on May 20th and will continue till May 24th.
The 5th edition after a gap of 2 years, and we hope that the people of Shiroi will come out to extend warm hospitality, the famous warm hospitality of Ukhrul. Not just Shiroi but also all over Manipur. We hope that people will welcome visitors and tourists who will come for this festival, and we hope that the Shiroi Lili beauty pageant will be a very important part of it because it highlights the importance of people coming together to raise awareness about the tourism potential of Manipur and also its arts and culture, its traditions, its food, handloom, textiles, which Manipur is very rich in, and especially will be highlighting the cultures and traditions of Ukhrul.
As a part of the ongoing arms down and pen down strike carried out under the aegis of all Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association, personnel of Village Defence Force VDF attached in police stations and traffic in Thoubal districts have abstained from their duties. The protest was carried out against the government's failure to meet the VDF's demands, which include their service regularization, increasing wages or salaries, and implementation of VDF recruitment rules under Section 18 of Police Act 1861. While the VDFs have been decrying that the government fails to recognize their role in maintaining law and order in the state, they maintain that they will take on intense agitation until their demands are fulfilled. Meanwhile, Social Development Association SDA has extended support to indefinite pen down and gun down protests being carried out by the Village Defence Force over government's failure to fulfill their demands, which include extending their service tenure. In a press release issued by its secretary, A. Dijendro, SDA further urged Manipur governor to fulfill the demands of VDF at the earliest, adding that they served like other state forces and even took pivotal role in safeguarding the villages in red zone areas in the ongoing crisis. In a significant move aimed at strengthening sports infrastructure in the state, representatives of the Manipur Olympic Association called on Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan to discuss about the upgradation of velodrome and fencing court at Kumalampak Sports Complex in view of the 39th National Games 2027. During the meeting, key issues concerning the upgradation of the velodrome and fencing court at the Kumalampak Sports Complex were raised. The appeal follows a request from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the host of the upcoming National Games, for the use of Manipur's advanced sports facilities during the event. After hearing the request, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla directed Secretary of Youth Affairs and Sports N. Praveen Singh to expedite necessary actions for the enhancements of the mentioned facilities. The directive aims to ensure that the infrastructure is ready to accommodate national-level athletes and activities well ahead of the 2027 sporting event. On the other hand, the Manipur governor also met representatives of the Mao Catholic Association. The delegation briefed the governor on the various social issues and developmental aspirations of the Mao community. General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh L. Devan has referred to the claim that the BJP MLAs might join Congress MLAs in forming a new government in the state. Terming the speculative post on social media platform as false, BJP Manipur Pradesh clarifies that the BJP legislatures in Manipur are with BJP and there is no scope of joining hands with Congress under any circumstances. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee today accorded a warm welcome to BJP members who have joined Congress party. BJP former Pradhan Mohammad Halim and former Pradhan Mohammad Fazal, who is presently an administrative committee member, and other BJP leaders of Singar village of Thoubal district joined Congress party. In a post on X, MPCC President Kaisham Meghachandra welcomed the former members of BJP to Congress party. Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma today condoled the death of RIMS Nursing College student Abiel Sachiana, CH Marak of Rongram in Meghalaya. A condolence program was held at Jubilee Hall of RIMS, where attendees paid floral tribute to the photo of late Abiel Sachiana, CH Marak, who was a 4th semester BSc nursing student in RIMS. Attendees also observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul. Speaking in this regard, Director G. Sunil Kumar Sharma expressed sorrow and solidarity for the bereaved family.
As a head of the institute, I would like to convey my heartfelt condolence to the entire family, and such a loss to the institute and also the family will remain as a very sad moment for this institute. At the same time, we also feel really bad how it has happened. Let her soul rest in peace, and I wish we are, from the institute side, expressing our solidarity behind the family at this very sad moment.
Former Director of Jenims, Laisham Devan, has reiterated about the great role of Manipuri women in various social and political movements of the state. Laisham Devan was speaking during the observance of 15th Foundation Day of Kanglei Imalup KIL, which was held at Manipur Press Club today. President of KIL, R.K. Sanahanbi, President of Kanglamai, Yumnam Lerik Lema, Advisor of KIL, Ningtho Kongjam Basanti, and Cooperator of Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward Number 6, Tawrangwam Indrajit, were among the eminent people who graced the function. Speaking further, Dr. Laisham Devan praised women of Manipur for leading the Manipuri society and urged leaders in the state to take inspiration from women in carrying out selfless service for unity of Manipur.
Manipur issues in Sasmatic Yambre Chowre, Aji Mana election Guinea, Adini Hedden, Lady Basil, Jimando, Lerami Bakango, the VIP Lady Bakango, the political senior or junior, Punjilera, Seto with the Tabuxing a say, Manipur Pazasam on the Pena Dragoni. Opening election in 14 Matam Kadam Matam Mateo. Equally, Tangulik Adnan Lady was saying any hell about issuing a Seda, Punjilera Pinam, Puna, unity in a Tomato Siena Kanavim Hota, Macho and Masoi, Amanamra leaders, Sisu Pamadana, Togi Matam Senate, Tumzage, Masisu, Egi, the same Nagi, Tamuideja, Wakami, Aruga, as the Aquila City Fusi Yogi said, Manipura, Bigi, 70% of the people, Masidia Bamasagyan, Palace Wapa. Maramdi, Mr. Quick unity in a Tomsit of Minavataragadi, 70%, 100% of Minavataragadi, my son of Pakadawa.
State Central Library Imphal has asked the NGOs and voluntary organizations operated under to collect books from its office. A statement issued by the Chief Librarian of State Central Library Imphal stated that the initiative of distributing books to its beneficiaries, which are in the form of NGOs and voluntary organizations, is being carried out under the aegis of Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. It further conveyed that the computer laboratory, which have the facilities for accessing Wi-Fi internet, Delnet and print and download among others, were also opened. Department of Sociology, Manipur University organized a one-day national seminar on family and sustainable development goals, in short NSF SDG 25, as a part of International Day of Families observance at Manipur University, Kanchipur today. Speaking in the program, former head of Department of Anthropology, MU, Professor W. Nabukumar, elaborated on the changing family dynamics and asserted that every member in a family, irrespective of age, has a role to play in the society, as a society is not driven by one particular age group. He said families can play a big role in achieving sustainable development goals, as family is the foundational unit of the society.
Saukat pai base ngasi gi mirol ka khanba yaroi tungda lakpa mioi ba gi mirol gi de maksu khanga da bani akoi na ngasi akoi gi mirol ka ki khalle raga prithibhi da phangni ba resource una makse akoi na loina season na thokra ga di tungi mirol da season na ngai le hauda da na mioi ba gi future se yauna da oi ra kani haibu gi wakal lon si gong gi da makta sustainable development ba wakal si poklak bane ba sustainable development gi wakal si phangna ba honna ba da family na kari role lobo ya ba ge haiba si ne ba ngasi akoi seminars da khadari sa na family na lobo ya ba si koi sustainable goal gi maroi ba goal sen gi manung da koi gi free hunger ga haiba sa la bai si prithvi da mon la hen ba lai ba eradication to ba poverty eradication to ba the nupi bu akoi na empower to ga respect to ga haiba goal si je phangna ba honna ba da family da gi hawo gi mathau tai.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of Special CDO Unit Kabuisoi arrested a man along with suspected heroin on yesterday morning. According to police sources, the unit received reliable information around 10:40 a.m. about the presence of contraband drugs at the residence of Muhammad Abdullah Khan, of 46 years, son of Muhammad Atwala Khan of Kabuisoi Sabal Lekai. The team rushed to the location after completing necessary formalities. Upon conducting a search, 6 vials of suspected heroin were found concealed in the right back pocket of Muhammad Abdullah Khan's pants. The drugs were seized in the presence of 2 independent witnesses around 11:20 a.m. During preliminary interrogation, he allegedly confessed to selling contraband substances to teenagers and drug users to earn money. He was immediately arrested at 11:25 a.m. The arrested individual, along with the seized narcotics, has been handed over to Hengang Police Station for further legal actions. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Heritage Convent. Congratulations to the stars of Heritage in HSLC exam 2025. Mga Leima Wayenbam, Ananya Gracia Moirangthim, Aribam Diksha Sharma, Aribam Liana Sharma, Ningthaujam Arjun Singh, Moirangthim Lintoy, Rakesh Laishram, Thonaujam Yohenba, Anchal Ningthauzam, Brenita Chiro, Chongtham Fulo Singh, Mukabbir Laskar, Thokchom Talent Singh, Athokpam Bhumika Devi, Josie Laimayum, El Tomthin Nganvi Chanu, Parker Yumkhaibam, Ronica Angom, Selvas Chongtham. Heritage Convent wishes you a bright future. Congratulations to the teachers and all the students. We also wish to thank all the parents and guardians for having faith in us. Heritage Convent admission open for Standard 11 Science 2025-26. Top scorers of Heritage Convent who scored CGPA 9 and above will receive scholarship worth Rs 50,000 to 2 lakhs along with free admission, tuition fee, practical fee and notebooks. Heritage students scoring CGPA 8.5 and above will enjoy free ships according to their grades. Flat Rs 6,000 only on admission fee for Heritage students scoring below 8.5 exclusively. Other school students scoring 8.5 and above also enjoys free ship and major fee waivers according to their grades. Elective subjects available are physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, computer science, Hangta, home science. Admission can be done at School Office Campus 1 Uripo, Imphal on all working days between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Admission open for 2025-26 session at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit, Imphal, Akampat. University courses, MTech CSE in AI, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Bioinformatics, BCA, BSc Computer Science, PGDCA, O-Level IT and CHMT, Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering, DCSE, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. Free course fee for SC/ST students. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. For further details, please contact 8132062261. Register now.
Admission opens for various courses in Manipur Technical University, Takilpad. Applications are invited for admission to B.Tech courses for the academic session 2025-26 in Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering. Interested candidates may apply online or download form from the university website at www.mtu.ac.in from May 15, 2025. Or application forms are also available at Office of the Registrar, Manipur Technical University Government Polytechnic Campus, Takilpad. Forms will be issued on May 15, 2025 for G and non-G candidates. Last date of admission of duly filled-in application form for G candidates is May 23, 2025 till 4 p.m. and for non-Z candidates on June 10, 2025. Notifications for admission to MBA course will be issued in due course. For further queries, please contact 0986 3764237 or 0385 3523267 or by email at admission@mtu.ac.in.
Caesar Hospitals na keyhole surgery pangthorakpa chahi kunga mapan mapung pharakpa kumonga mari leinana May tha manungda keyhole surgery da 10% mari leinaba investigation singda 15% amasung general ward bed charges da 20% discount phangbigani akupa marol pizariba mobile number natraga Caesar Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Manipur police arrested 6 members of 4 prescribed groups who were allegedly involved in extortion activities from different places of the state. According to police, one member of Koireng-led UNLF, namely Assam Nanau, alias Mahesh, aged 31 years, of Irengban Sabal Lekai in Kakching district, was arrested from Lamdong under Kakching police station. Another member of the same outfit, who has been identified as M. Chinglin, aged 44 years, from Kamong Meshnam Maning Lekai, was also arrested from his residence. On the other hand, police arrested one cadre of proscribed group KCP Taibanganba from Waikong Ningthong Manai under Waikong police station in Kakching district. He has been identified as Kakching Tabam Rishikesh, alias Nanau Sharma, aged 41 years, of Kakching Kunau Tingnam Tarung Lekai. Meanwhile, police also arrested 2 members of band outfit RPF PLA from Lairong Thel Pitra under Nongpok Sekmai police station in Thobal district. They have been identified as RK Mubisana, alias Lokin, aged 47 years, of Wangjing Hodamba Maning, and Moirangthem Naresh, alias Thongamba, aged 28 years, of Churachandpur Tuibong, and presently staying at Wangjing Hodamba Maning. One 9mm pistol with magazine, 1.32 pistol with magazine, and few live rounds were also recovered from their possession. In another incident, a team of Imphal police station arrested one cadre of Pambai-led UNLF from Minutong in connection with extortion case. The arrested individual has been identified as Waikom Rajesh, aged 32 years, from Mongjam Mamang Lekai. He was allegedly involved in extorting money from cargo agencies. Security forces arrested one self-styled surgeon, a measure of non-suspension of operations group, Chin Kuki Liberation Army, in short CKLA-UPLF, along with arms yesterday. According to police, the arrested other is identified as David Ngamjang, aged 25 years, of M. Tajang village near Suknu, and presently staying at Zoveng in Churachandpur district. It went on to inform that David Ngamjang was arrested from Saikot village under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district during a search operation following a tip-off from intelligence. He is said to have been involved in extortion activities in various parts of the state. Police also recovered a 9mm pistol with 3 live bullets from his possession. Forest Fire Divisional Forest Officer Bishnupur Forest Division organized a day-long awareness program on prevention and control of forest fire at Kiamba Ningxing Shanglen Bishnupur today. The program was organized under the Fire Prevention and Management Scheme 2024-25. Speaking in the program, Project Director of Eastern Border Area Development Authority and Barak River Valley Development Board, Nongthongban Loyalakpa, urged leaders in both hills and valley to play active role in conservation of forests. On the other hand, DFO Bishnupur Waikom Romabai urged the people to avoid clearing the forest for jhum cultivation. She appealed to people to get every assistance to avail means of alternative livelihood while also conserving the forest under Forest Fire Prevention and Management Scheme 2024-25.
Zoom cultivation city lepu have singam davina with Apava Tavak Toraga Sarkagi Matamtongi, the Longi Singi farmhouse, Yum the Nutigi Kulai Proctanava, Ham to the Yum Sabira, Kuchukulai Tambiganisida, Luina Churi, Tector Kande, Aduna Sida Chang Nenava, Labians of Buena Sibi, Dulorga Moso, Farmers is a Kun Chang Chang Nenava. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯔꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯟꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯋꯥꯗꯦ ꯐꯥꯔꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯣꯂꯔ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯀꯕꯣꯇꯥꯁꯨ ꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯦ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯎ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯔꯦꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯎ ꯊꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯗꯤ ꯏꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ
ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁ ꯐꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯂꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁ ꯐꯥꯏꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯦꯁꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯚꯂꯤꯍꯨꯗꯀꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯅꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯇꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯅꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯏꯕꯥꯗꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
One-day counseling program on Pharmacy Practice Regulations 2015 was conducted today by Manipur State Pharmacy Council, in short MSPC, at its conference hall at Imphal. The program aimed to educate pharmacists on professional standards and legal responsibilities as mandated under national pharmacy laws. The event was attended by President of MSPC, Rajkumar Bashumani, and Vice President of the Council, Dineshwar. More than 41 trained and registered pharmacies from various districts of Manipur participated in the program. As a part of the event, participants were presented with aprons, ID cards, name tags, participation certificates and gazette copies of the Pharmacy Practice Regulations 2015. Addressing the gathering, President Rajkumar Vasumani described pharmacy as a noble profession vital to public health. He stressed that several laws, including Section 10 and 18 of the Pharmacy Act 1948, have been enacted by the Pharmacy Council of India, PCI, to safeguard the rights and responsibilities of the pharmacies across the country. He also informed that the pharmacy practice regulations have been implemented in Manipur with a dual objective of ensuring pharmacies' welfare and enhancing patient safety. The President urged all registered pharmacies to strictly adhere to the rules and regulations framed by the government and the Council. He warned that strict monitoring and vigilance will be carried out and penalties will be imposed on defaulters.
Registered pharmacies shall also comply with the dress code of being dressed formally and wearing cleanly white overall apron with a badge, displaying the name and the registration number. PCI pirakpaduniko akoina mayam pijagadise. Akoina at sidaida try the notoraga develop toraga mayamda noto.
Divisional Forest Officer Chandal organized a day-long awareness program on the topic Disseminating the Zoonotic Disease in Chandal District at Zafo Upper Primary School in Chandal District today. Speaking in the program, which was attended by teachers and students of 6 schools in Chandal District, DFO Chandal, Dr. N. Munal Meete said, destruction of forests and the habitat of various wildlife can cause zoonotic diseases like scruff typhus, dengue, rabies and other viral diseases. Speaking further, Dr. N. Munal highlighted the importance of conserving environment and forests. As a part of the program, an on-spot painting competition was also held on the theme Harmony with Nature and Sustainable Development. A one-day awareness program on the CSS RKVI cafeteria for the year 2023-25 second installment was held at Panchayat Resource Center, Bishnupur District Office Complex today. ADM Bishnupur T. Opendro, DO of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Bishnupur S. Susila, SMS Horticulture of KVK Utlau, Dr. P. Vijaya, Consultant of Crop Solution Entry for Plant Health Manipur, Dr. M. Thoy spoke as the resource persons at the awareness program. Speaking on the sidelines, D.O. Susila informed that the awareness program was organized with the aim to give insights to the farmers about latest agricultural methods to enhance their produces. Dr. Vijaya and Dr. M. Thoy delivered lectures on the topics scientific cultivation of dragon fruit and pest and diseases of dragon fruits along with other seasonal vegetables, respectively, during the technical session. Biofertilizers, NPKs, insecticides and fungicides were also distributed during the function. Founder of YAI Foundation, Aribam Abeim, has called for a balanced approach in this highly evolving digital world in inculcating empathy and kindness among children through literature and other medium. Aribam Abeim was speaking during a formal launch of YAI Foundation, which aims to produce children literature that is engaging, that will evoke age-appropriate behavior among children. Recipient of Bal Sahitya Purishkar 2014, Rajkumar Bhuvan Sana, Secretary of YAI Foundation, Akoijam KB Sana, Treasurer Oinam Julie, and member of the foundation, Joyshri Usham, attended the event. Speaking further, Aribam Abeim urged for maximum capitalization of the changes that are being brought by technology revolution in the world.
Hojiki matamsida balance approach mayam darkar taeba haibadi sigumba children literature angangi damakta illustration yekba angangu engage tongnaba deeper reading deeper meaning oiba oihananabi damakta empathy angangda minuji thauzal polaknabi damakta angangu haini decision making yamna hain long run da angang se kamai to na hojik decision se kujin lobong amda basi pi ngai degi moida sigi reading habit se inculcate to hiboi taragadi moigi sabsaba age ki matung inna age appropriate quality children literature se laibu oi taragadi moi se reading de engage lakani moi lifelong learner oi rakani moigi reading habit se develop torokaneba.
In the bid to promote environmental awareness and community engagement, Assam Rifles organized a tree plantation drive at New Koken village in Kangpokpi district yesterday. Around 14 local villages alongside personnel of Assam Rifles planted saplings. As a part of the drive, Assam Rifles encouraged villagers to take part in protecting and nurturing the saplings, reinforcing the importance of environmental stewardship in remote and sensitive regions. Villagers expressed appreciation for Assam Rifles' efforts, noting that such initiatives go a long way in building trust and cooperation between the armed forces and residents. The plantation drive also aligns with the broader goals of the Government of India's National Mission for Greener India, which focuses on increasing forest and tree cover to combat climate change. As a mark of encouraging the children of those who laid down their lives in defending the state during the peak of the ongoing crisis, MR Trust extended financial assistance and gifts to Moirangtem Sonali Chanu of Yaurabung Mayailekai for successfully clearing this year's Class 10 examination conducted by BOSIM. Members of MR Trust handed over the cash award and gifts to the student by visiting her residence. It may be mentioned that Sonali's father, Moirangtem Ropin, who took the role of a village volunteer, was killed by cookie perpetrators while guarding villages at Merin Sena on August 31st, 2023. Summer School for College Teachers on Biological Tools and Technique based on NEP 2020 syllabi concluded at Annexed Building Department of Life Sciences in Manipur University yesterday. The event was organized with an aim to sharpen the knowledge of teacher about the new methodologies and the comprehensive ideas which are brought upon by the newly added contents in the syllabus under NEP 2020. The program was organized by Department of Life Sciences, Manipur University and DBT Builder from May 5th. Nongpok Ningthau Apan Thoibi Trust, in short NNAT, will organize a 7-day workshop on the theme Umanglai Harauba from May 27th to June 2nd. Addressing a praise meet held today at the shrine of Nongpok Ningthau Apan Thoibi, located near Thobal Nongpokching Powerhouse, NNAT Cultural Organizing Secretary Ratan Leishangtem conveyed that experts from Pandit Loishang, Liningthau Sanamahi Temple Board, Manipur University of Culture, Ukal and Uttara Shanglen will speak on various topics related to Umang Lai Harauba, besides screening videos of Lai Harauba during the workshop. While appealing all to participate in the workshop, Ratan added that interested persons can contact on the mobile number 9856-740463 in this regard. I repeat, 9856-740463.
Nongpok Ningthau Apan Thoibi Trust Thawalna Sinjaduna Laiba Megi Tang Kuntaret Soklising Aniga Kunmanga Dagi Numit Tarini Supna State Level Gi Thakta Lai Haraubagi Workshop Ama Sinjari Hairiba Workshop Asida Iramdam Asomda Laibiriba Laibungi Committee Amadi Iramdam Asonda Lairiba Laiga Mari Lainaba Organization Lup Kuding Magna Saruk Yabiu Haidana Nongpok Ningthau Apan Thoibigi Maikai Dagi Pauzelasi Tamjari.
And now the sports news. In Koko, 20-day Koko Summer Camp 2025 kicked off at the campus of Yumnam Huidrom Higher Secondary School today. The free Koko Summer Coaching Camp is being organized by Yumnam Huidrom Higher Secondary School under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Koko Association. Speaking in the opening ceremony, General Secretary of Manipur Amateur Koko Association, M. Madhusudan, highlighted the importance of integrating sports with academic activities to achieve a healthy and productive society. International Koko player K. Dhananjoy and national player K. Chandrathoy will be part of the free Koko Summer Coaching Camp as instructors and impart basic Koko skills to over 80 students from 10 schools in Imphal West District. On the other hand, Manipur Amateur Koko Association has also initiated free coaching camps from today at Sen DYC Ground, Salungphom Public Ground and SCDO Ground under Thobal District.
Akhoi target akhoi pandam da yawba pod haitare education with sports ani situna chanminaba kanda akhoi miyoi bdo mapum phab miyoi bam oi haibagi pandam du education haibisi lairi laisu haitraba khangai bisi yawtraba adoidi miyoi bdo mapum phaba miyoi am oiroi adi samaj ma chapna wona bus madu oiroi sports na prithvi sida charang nariba koliba mayam ji sports to wan sangragadi maduna prithvi shanti purang nanabagi Lanjang the Moroi Bapulaja, sports oi haibana. Ajiki pandam chida kuna kongyangasi kochangsalakpani.
And now the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center Lamphalpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 51% in the evening today. As per report, Manipur received 0.2 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur President Assam Kasar asserts no disturbances or obstruction should be allowed in any welfare activities of indigenous people in the state. Assam Rifles neutralizes 10 suspected militants of Myanmar-based KNAB in gunfight that erupted along Indo-Myanmar border in Chandal district. Manipur police dismiss existence of cookie groups that threatened the Meitei community against attending Shiroi Lily festival, assured adequate security for visitors. And personnel of Village Defence Force VDF posted at various police stations joined ongoing indefinite pen down and gun down protests. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, good night.